Sample test cases.
Hello guys, today we will see the interview questions and answers for QA. 1. What is the difference between the QA and software testing? The role of QA, quality assurance, is to monitor the quality of the process used to produce the software, while the software testing is the process of ensuring the functionality of final product meets the user's requirement. 2. What is testware? Testware is test artifacts like test cases, test data, test plans needed to design and execute a test. 3. What is the difference between build and release? Build. It is a number given to installable software that is given to the testing team by the development team. Release. It is a number given to installable software that is handed over to the customer by the tester or developer. 4. What are the automation challenges that us QA software quality assurance team faces while testing? Mastering the automation tool, reusability of automation script, adaptability of test case for automation, automating complex test cases. 5. What is bug leakage and bug release? Bug release is when software or an application is handed over to the testing team knowing that the defect is present in a release. During this, the priority and severity of bug is low, as bug can be removed before the final handover. Bug leakage is something when the bug is discovered by the end users or customer and not detected by the testing team while testing the software. 6. What is data-driven testing? Data-driven testing is an automation testing framework which tests the different input values on the OT. These values are read directly from the data files. The data files may include CSV files, Excel files, data pools, and many more. 7. Explain the steps for bug cycle. Once the bug is identified by the tester, it is assigned to the development manager in open status. If the bug is a valid defect, the development team will fix it. If it is not a valid defect, the defect will be ignored and marked as rejected. The next step will be to check whether it is in scope. If the bug is not the part of the current release, then the defects are postponed. If the defect or bug is raised earlier, then the tester will assign a duplicate status. When bug is assigned to developer to fix, it will be given a in progress status. Once the defect is repaired, the status will change to fixed at the end. The tester will give closed status if it passes the final test. 8. What does the test strategy include? The test strategy includes an introduction, resource, scope and schedule for test activities, test tools, test priorities, test planning, and the types of tests that has to be performed. 9. Mention the different types of software testing: unit testing, integration testing and regression testing, shakeout testing, smoke testing, functional testing, performance testing, white box and black box testing, alpha and beta testing, load testing and stress testing, system testing. 10. What is branch testing and what is boundary testing? The testing of all the branches of the code, which is tested once, is known as branch testing, while the testing that is focused on the limit conditions of the software is known as boundary testing. 11. What are the contents of test plans and test cases? Testing objectives, testing scope, testing the frame, the environment, reason for testing, the criteria for entrance and exit, deliverables, risk factors. 12. What is agile testing and what is the importance of agile testing? Agile testing is software testing, is testing using agile methodology. The importance of this testing is that, unlike normal testing process, this testing does not wait for the development team to complete the coding first, and then doing testing. The coding and testing both goes simultaneously. It requires continuous customer interaction.
If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and on our website, where there are many test cases, differences, and tricky interview questions and answers for software testing, and many more. So visit the website, linked in the description. You can also follow us on Instagram. You can provide feedback by leaving a comment. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.